Yeah, shit. I guess the tube ripped where the valve is. I don't have a spare tube. I have to call roadside assistance. I have to do it online. Luckily it happened at a gas station. Okay. They just confirmed 90 minutes. So there's a tow truck coming now and he will bring me to the next tire shop. The problem is it's now Friday evening. They won't open on Saturdays. They could only order the tube on Monday and probably won't come until Tuesday. So I'm stuck here. Okay, he brings me now to a town 50 kilometers from here. Okay, we're now at the shop, but of course nobody's here. But at least we can put the bike inside, that's a good thing. Alright, now here at the local gas station. I know what you guys think, you know, like I could have just brought a spare tube, but yeah, I didn't. I have stuff to fix the puncture, but like when it's torn, it's torn. I don't think I can repair that. But yeah, we live and learn. Anyways, I'll get a hotel. I'll see you guys there. Thanks, man. All right, I'll send you the address. Take care, yeah? Drive safe. Guys, I asked for help on the internet and somebody actually is on the way now with a new tube for me. And we're actually going to put it in. How crazy is that? And another guy also picked up a tube. He didn't even contact me yet. So he just drives here now. It's crazy. This YouTube community is just so crazy.
Hello.
How is it going, man? Come here.
Here you go.
So cool. So this is Matthias and he drove all the way from where?
Lund.
From Lund? Just to get me a tube.
Just outside Malmö.
That's your bike?
Yeah. This
Wow.
is Ubbe.
Wow. Transalp. Wait, man.
Okay.
I'm going up.
Yeah.
I don't know when I have done that the last time. Alright. Let's do this. Alright friends, we're now on the way to the Honda. It's about 10 kilometers away from the hotel. Matthias is kind enough to take me on the back on his beautiful Transalp. And it feels so weird to not be riding yourself. But he's doing a good job. Alright guys, we're now at the shop here. The Honda is already parked outside. This is Pelle. He came down, he bought a tube, he didn't even tell me about it. He saw the video and he ran to the shop, bought a tube and he came down here. That is so cool. And now we have a little meetup. He brought his family over there. What's the name, guys? And you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people. I think that we should get it done. We'll get the Honda back on the road today.
Underneath here.
Okay. Oh, that's so smart. Okay.
Yeah, it's easy to bring with you.
And you can get a hammer anywhere. It's so fast. It's crazy.
It's almost everyone's style.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah, that is so true.
So,
There we go.
pressing this side in
Yeah.
to loosen it, to get this side to go
Deeper
down
into the
into the rim.
Okay.
So we can pull this side over.
Right.
There we go.
It's so nice of you guys that you do all the work and I just. How will I ever learn? I'm making my own tutorial video now, so I can.
And you always have the
I
speed
can watch
dial
it
for
back,
it.
yeah. Now here, it's inside.
So that's
That's inside.
so there's something inside. It could be that it's one of the spokes on the inside that's made the hole
Yeah.
in the tube. Oh, here I found it.
So the puncture was actually from the inside. That's why I couldn't find any nail or any.
So the ring, we got the small like rubber ring
Yeah.
tape on it, and that's moved slightly to the side, and that made the puncture in the tube.
Oh wow! But that is you put it back.
Yeah, I put it back now, so it shouldn't be any problem.
Hopefully. Right.
You never know.
We will never know now.
But you got two spare tubes now, so.
So crazy, yeah.
Okay.
I went from no tube to. All right, guys. Which one is it?
I think this one. I think he bought a better tube.
He bought the better tube. Outrageous. So is that the hardest part?
Hardest for your fingers.
Yeah.
You want?
When you don't have a tire machine.
Oh, you got it already.
Yeah. It was.
That wasn't so hard.
It's surprisingly good.
Yeah.
And it's surprisingly easy this time.
She made it easy for you. And I didn't do anything. I didn't touch it once.
Life's good.
Now we have to really show that we know what we're doing, but we really actually don't do.
No, but
know what
you
it is.
you sure look like you know exactly what you're doing. This is like I haven't seen people doing it that fast in the tire shop, really.
This part is not good.
Yeah. Wow. Guys,
Look, guys, it
I
can work.
also do something.
Good riding.
Very good, man. And you too. Very good job. My hands are still super clean. I think I did a good job.
You're super talented, man.
Those guys? Awesome. Now we check if it holds the pressure and then we can put it on again.
Yep, that's good. That's in place.
Awesome.
You're good.
Keep going forward. There we are. Maybe Mark should do this.
Wait, I can do this. I think it's already okay, right?
Pull it. Until you lift the bike.
Yeah.
Yeah, lift it. Yeah,
Perfect. I did it. Thanks, guys. Matthias, very good. Good job.
Really like
Pelle,
Yeah.
awesome.
Perfect.
So good that you just came down without even calling before. That is
Always
awesome.
fun to help people out.
Thanks for cheering on.
I think I cheered on very good. Guys, words cannot describe how happy I am. Only a few hours after I posted my video, I'm back on the road on the Honda. Matthias and Pelle, amazing guys. They did an amazing job and they were so fast. They changed the tube like a pro. They just got out of their way to help me. They both went to the same motorcycle shop to buy the tube. They drove an hour here. I'm so blessed, really, so blessed to get to know all these people all over the world through YouTube, through this motorcycle community. I'm very, very thankful for that. It was so lovely. I had a great day. Tomorrow I'll be back on the road, back on my way to Norway, on my way to Nordkapp. And I'm so happy I get to share this whole experience with you guys. And it feels like I have friends all over the world. I know that many of you guys would have liked to help, and I appreciate all of you. I would have been stuck here for at least a few more days, and now I can just go. So cool. I even have a spare tube now, so all is well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a nice day.